Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and there are two very important are there in this particular video. The first one is the TCS survey mail update for the 2024, 2025 and 2026 batch, and Accenture results and primer update. What is primer? You know, what will be the stream training, for how month it will be, the complete details you will be getting in this particular video. Please don't worry about it. Okay, now the first thing which we are going to see here is this TCS urgent requirement, urgent action required, TCS all India NQT, which you could see here. So TCS urgent action required, TCS all India NQT 2024, 2025 and 2026 batch. Now friends, so if you are the candidate who are going to write the exam, okay, from 2024 and 2025 and 2026 batch, then you must be receiving this survey email. Okay, so greetings from TCS campus team. As part of the next step after applying for the TCS all India NQT 2024, 2025 or 2026, we are sharing this survey link to collect your personal and institute related details. This information is essential to plan the forthcoming process smoothly. Now why it is happening, friends? So as we came to know, this is not a very confirmed news. Okay, so as we came to know, there'll be pool hiring also. Okay, there'll be pool hiring, pool campus hiring. That means these colleges, okay, so one of the colleges will be calling many other college students for TCS examination or hiring opportunity. We don't know how much it is true, so that might be one of the reason. But whatever reason it is, if you are from 2024, 2025, 2026 batch, then you are going to fill this form. So as part of the next step after applying for the TCS all India NQT 2024, 2025 or 2026, we are sharing this survey link to collect your personal and institute related details. So they wanted to know your personal details, they wanted to know which college you belong to. Okay, so this kind of details they wanted. This information is essential to plan the forthcoming event, that is your examination. We are requested to complete this survey by Saturday by 12. So today itself, okay, another 1 hour. Okay, so this is a survey link, please note. So friends, please keep checking your spam in the emails, right, mails. Please keep checking your spam mail, please keep checking your inbox, junk email, whatever possible. Please keep checking all those things. And also friends, see, this ILP support is definitely helping people replying. So there are some of the students, right, from the BSc background, and they are not getting this apply to try buttons and all. So as per our validation, your profile shows in IT domain with reference number this and qualification as batch of computer science BSc, and informed you earlier we do not have any drives for the batch of computer science BSc 2026 candidates. Okay, so thanks and regards, Suzal, ILP support. So please go ahead and fill this form. This is essential. Now next is, friends, your Accenture results and primers. Okay, so okay, fine. So Accenture has just started sending the results and even the LOI now, and primer also is getting started from 10th of March. Friends, see, regarding primer, okay, see, if I will explain you, definitely I have not gone through the process of this primers. Okay, so that is the reason here Accenture, what if you don't clear exams, primers, stream training and Accenture LOI. So Accenture, once you get Accenture letter of intent, offer letter, right, joining letter, then how your price, see, first your primers will start. Primer will be for 10 to 12 days, very basic things will be there, but everywhere you have to score a certain marks like 65% and all. You will be given 2 to 3 chance. The complete detail in 11 minutes we have covered in this particular video. This link we will be giving you in the video description itself, so that you will be getting the complete information. Okay, what will be your stream training, how the stream training will be decided, so each and everything will be available here. Okay, now, so again, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are already doing a lot of activities, even small informations are there, we are trying to provide it to you. So don't forget to subscribe. Once you get selected, like, okay, like him, you unsubscribe the channel, I don't care, but he got selected in TCS Prime, and for the package of 9 LPA, that is, we get lot of happiness, or I can say this is a success for us. Okay, so selected in TCS Role Prime for the package 9 LPA. Okay, anyway, so videos we are doing a lot. So live classes we are doing, preparation videos, each and everything we are doing it on our channel. Next is, friends, so here if you'll see, The Accenture, the interview had happened in December 2025. Congratulations, mail many of the students has got in Feb 2026, and offer letter is released in March 2026. And here I could see the primers has been already planned, right? So here if you'll see 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Tuesday 10th of March. So from join the Accenture Primer Learning Orientation Connect App Dev Primer. Okay, so also many of you have not received any information from the Accenture. Please don't worry about it. You have given the interview but there is no results, so have some patience, right? So I will not say that 100% you will get it, but there is a chance that you will be able to get it. Okay, now, so Accenture, what they're telling, so here, congratulations, you are a step closer to be a part of the family. Okay, so Feb 2026, Feb 24. Okay, so work at the heart of change. Congratulations on successfully completing our interview process. We believe your talent and dedication will bring valuable skills to our team. Next step, stay tuned for the further update on your candidature. Then the students are getting join the Accenture Primer Learning Orientation Connect App Dev Primer. So friends, for the different role, right? So ASE, App Dev Primer. So there are different primers will be there for the different students. Okay, and definitely there will be difference in the your stream trainings and the primer roles. So LTT primer organizer, no event. Here you are welcome to join the orientation session for the primer learning program. Your presence is essential and we appreciate your effort to be available. So objective of the primer learning platform demonstration Q&A. Please join the call at least 5 minutes before. So they will tell you if the primers are important, if you miss the primer, what will happen, how much marks you have to score in the primer. Anyway, this video is also whatever I showed you, right? So here also you will be getting a lot of information, right? Okay, then so now next we will be seeing this salary slip. So this is for packaged app develop engineering associate, right? So career level 12 AASC. So annual fixed compensation 4,90,000 to 5,41,500. Variable bonus, okay. Annual total earning potential 490 to 541, and maximum 568 to 628. Okay. Gratuity for each year, so 8,200. National insurance premium paid by company. Okay, so annual internet reimbursements 12,000. So all the details has been given, and total cash compensation element, so 541,500. Variables, okay, to annual. So this will be there as part of your offer letter itself. So the complete detail has been given. So how much you will be getting, total cash. So the salary is also very, very good. So please go ahead with that. Accenture is a very good company. There is no doubt at all. Once again, I want to repeat, Accenture is also a very good company. There is no doubt about it. So please go for it. That's all I wanted to say in this video. And if there is any information, any such information, more information is there, we will be updating you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best.